Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the PYQs and MCQs on the last point of our topic, that is adolescence, drug and alcohol abuse. So first MCQ, identify the molecules A and B shown below and select the right option giving their source and use. So here the structure of morphine is given and this is the chemical structure of cannabinoid molecule. You have to identify the source and use. Here the option D is correct. Morphine, whose source is also correct, papaver somniferum, and it is used as a sedative and painkiller for the treatment. Now second MCQ, which of the following drugs are normally used as medicines to help patients cope with mental illnesses like depression and insomnia? So here all the three, barbiturates, amphetamines and benzodiazepines, these three are used for treatment of mental illnesses like depression and insomnia. So here option is C. Now next MCQ, when any substance taken for a purpose other than medicinal use or in amounts or frequency that impairs one's physical, physiological or psychological functions, it constitutes drug abuse. Option D, कि कोई अल्कोहल या ड्रग मेडिसिनल पर्पस के सिवाय ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में लेता है तो उसके फिजिकल, फिजियोलॉजिकल और साइकोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस पे असर होता है, इसलिए दैट इज नथिंग बट द ड्रग अब्यूज. ऑप्शन इज डी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्सटेंस आर मिसयूज्ड बाय सर्टेन स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स टू इनहांस देयर परफॉर्मेंस? सो ऑप्शन इज डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस: narcotic analgesic, anabolic steroids, diuretics and certain hormones, and that's why option D is the answer for this question. Now next MCQ, which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant whose one flowering branch is shown below? So this question was asked in 2014 NEET examination. So here is the B, hallucinogen. So this is the flowering branch of Datura plant, and Datura is the hallucinogenic plant along with Atropa belladonna. So remember this, Atropa belladonna is also hallucinogen producing plant. Now next MCQ, cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chronic intake of alcohol. So when any person take continuously alcohol, at that time cirrhosis of liver, that is one of the condition, is observed in that person, in which the damage of liver cells takes place and function of the liver gets very adversely affected, and that condition is caused due to the continuous use of intake of alcohol. Now another question, LSD, morphine and bhang are respectively obtained from? So answer is B, claviceps, papaver and cannabis. So what is LSD? LSD is nothing but the lysergic acid diethylamide, and it is obtained from the fungus claviceps purpurea. Morphine is obtained from the papaver somniferum plant and bhang is obtained from the cannabis sativa plant. So next MCQ, सिरोसिस ऑफ लीवर इज, दैट इज नथिंग बट द श्रिंकेज एंड फाइब्रोसिस ऑफ लीवर, कि जब कोई कंटिन्यूस अल्कोहल का इंटेक करता है तो ऐसे पर्सन में लीवर का सिरोसिस होता है, मीन्स हेल्दी सेल जो है लीवर के वो डैमेज होते हैं और लीवर का श्रिंकेज होके फाइब्रोसिस कंडीशन भी ऐसे पेशेंट में दिखाई देती है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एज ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एडोलिसेंस पीरियड? सो आवर आंसर इज ए, 12 to 18 years. Now another MCQ, which of these is a member of the group of chemicals whose chemical structure is given below? So here this is the chemical structure of cannabinoid molecule, and all these three, that is marijuana, hashish and ganja, are obtained from the cannabis sativa plant. So that's our answer is D. Smack is a drug obtained from the latex of papaver somniferum. So what is smack? Smack is nothing but the heroin, which is obtained from the latex of papaver somniferum. Which one is obtained by acetylation of morphine? कि morphine का acetylation करके जो substance बनाया जाता है उसे कहते हैं heroin और smack. So that's why heroin is nothing but the diacetyl morphine. So answer is A. Which of the following is being abused by some sports person? So answer is D. Cannabinoids are abused by sports person. Excessive consumption of alcohol is alcoholism. कोई continuous और excessive consumption करता है alcohol का तो उस condition को कहते हैं alcoholism. Cocaine interferes with the transportation of the neurotransmitter named dopamine. So answer is B. Erythroxylum coca is a native to. So answer is A, South America. Now next question, in liver, alcohol is converted into more toxic substance called acetaldehyde. आंसर इज ए कि अल्कोहल का कन्वर्शन जो है एसिटल्डेहाइड में होता है लीवर में, और एंजाइम है अल्कोहल डिहाइड्रोजनेज। यहाँ पे अल्कोहल का रिडक्शन होता है एसिटल्डेहाइड में। सो एंड दैट एसिटल्डेहाइड इज नथिंग बट द टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस विच कॉज हार्म टू द liver, and therefore alcohol consumption is very harmful for the health of the liver.